Yeah. So this is the type of hydrangea Wendy needs. He loves hydrangeas, so he's staying at the Laurel in Victoria, James Bay. And these are pretty much evergreen here. These are oak leaf hydrangeas. You can see why they call them an oak leaf.
Hydrangeas
They're beautiful.
Sort of more like
Yeah. So this is the one you need for the garden right here. More drought tolerant. And then we got some Mexican orange in here. And I know. See this? And they do actually kind of change color a little bit, you can see. So some of them are green, and then they got a tinge of kind of bronze in them. Are they? Oh, there's the boat. Okay, I'm gonna get a video of that. That's beautiful. Wow. What is that one called? Gulf of something. Let's see.